Don't leave your treasured memories locked away on a phone or computer. Bring them to life with a picture wall. Installation is a breeze. Here is what you'll need: a pair of scissors, masking tape cut into 4 long pieces, a squeegee, and your installation instructions, which are supplied with your wall creation. Before you start, take some time to look at the instructions carefully. Then simply remove your picture wall from the tube supplied. It's a good idea to get a buddy to help mistakes. Once the right-hand side is applied, remove the remaining masking tape and repeat the application method for the left-hand side. Once your new design is in place, remove the application tape by carefully peeling it back on itself. Do not pull at a 90-degree angle. If you ever need to remove your wall art, it's as easy as pulling down from the top with 2 hands at a consistent angle of 120 to 180 degrees. If removal proves tough, use a hairdryer to apply heat to the vinyl. Although unlikely, if there is any residue left on your wall, it can be removed using a citrus-based cleaner. Wallcreations, your wall, your way.